The delay has just caused more and more anticipation and anxiety for us, but we're here, and I just feel a sense of relief that we can finally get started.
McLaren Flint received its first shipment of the COVID-19 vaccine this morning and immediately got to work vaccinating its staff members.
Our camera was there as the first person in Genesee County received the Pfizer vaccine.
Our Ann Perrette joining us now live from outside of the hospital, and quite the day for this staff. They've been working tirelessly this last 9 months.
An exciting day here at McLaren Flint with masks on. It's hard to see the smile on everyone's faces, but walking into the room this morning, I can certainly feel just how happy they were. The chief medical officer even getting emotional as we spoke about witnessing this long-awaited moment.
This has been, as I said, grueling for our staff, for our physicians, for our patients, for the community. We just want to get back to normal, and this is finally a ray of hope. We're going to take the fight to COVID and get back to normal.
McLaren Flint's chief medical executive, Dr. Banesh Patel, says the hospital received its first shipment of the vaccine this morning. Each vial contains enough doses for 5 vaccines, 5 people, and they chose the first recipients carefully.
What we decided to do was pull 5 people that made up the continuum of care of COVID patients. So anyone from a bedside nurse to the CRNA, the respiratory therapist, and one of our hospitalists that have been taking care of these patients for the last 9 or so months.
Nurse Patrick Bryant is the first to receive the COVID-19 vaccine in Genesee County.
For those of you that are skeptical of getting the vaccine, just look at us. We're the healthcare workers that have been taking care of the patients, and we're stepping forward to get our vaccine so that we can continue to take care of patients, whether they have COVID or not.
The actual number of doses they received is still being calculated. Dr. Patel expects they'll begin administering it to the rest of the staff tomorrow. They've had a plan in place for weeks on exactly how they're doing that.
Understanding based on who wants the vaccine, and then ensuring that we're not doing, for instance, an entire floor at the same time. We'll pull staff a few at a time from each floor and get them vaccinated.
And this Pfizer vaccine requires 2 doses 3 weeks apart, so being at the mercy of whatever shipment they receive, Dr. Patel says it is very possible that the first recipients of this vaccine could receive their second dose before some of their colleagues get their first. Now, he does expect to not have his entire staff here at the hospital vaccinated until February, which is why he is still encouraging everyone to practice those safety measures: hand washing, wearing your face mask, and social distancing. For now, live in Flint, I'm Ann Perrette, ABC 12 News.
All right, and coming up tonight on ABC 12 News at 6, we will hear from Nurse Patrick Bryant, the first COVID-19 vaccine recipient in Genesee County, how he's feeling and what he wants the community to know about his experience today.